How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in. This is Wicked Warnings coming at you with a brand new 2022 Ford Super Duty F-450. This is particular King Ranch F-450, one of the biggest and baddest trucks Ford makes. What you're looking at in the front is our auto flasher kit on the C-rings of the headlights and the fog lights. Now, all those lights will work perfectly normal when you're not in strobe mode. You don't lose any factory function when you're not in the emergency mode. And they're all activated by the auxiliary switches already included in the truck. The headlight C-ring is a no-cut kit, meaning you do not cut any factory wires. And at the time of filming, we are working on the fog light no-cut kit. So that will be coming very soon. And right now we're midway through it at this time in filming. You can see that they're synchronized together in an X pattern. They're on a triple flash, 75 FPM. We're also using our auto flasher kit on the top to flash the cab clearance lights. That's a wire cut kit. You do, in fact, have to cut a single wire right in the passenger A-pillar. It's a very fast install and a single wire cut to obtain what you're looking at right now. Here's just a little different shot on a little bit of an angle. You can order all of these parts right now on wickedwarnings.com. You can check the links in the video. And these kits are comprehensive, meaning they include everything that you need to do the install. There'll be some assembly required on your part and some final fitment, but all the wire is included and the connections that you need for the headlights are included as well. Alrighty, around the back here, we have another auto flasher kit, and that's a no-cut kit as well on the reverse. And what I mean by the connections are included are we terminate that with a Molex pin, and you're able to remove a factory wire and replace a factory wire with one of our wires. That is how we do our no-cut kits. You simply swap one of the wires in the factory connector, and I have a video that explains how to do it. As you can see, we're running one of our kits on the reverse. We're running another one on our cargo. Now, this particular cargo light, if you follow the third method of installation, you can get the tailgate light to flash as well. You can see that little light by the handle of the tailgate is synchronized with the cargo light above it. That's one circuit that you can flash all three of those lights together, the two cargo and the tailgate, as one unit, as we're doing here. We explain how to do that in the instructions. That is a single wire cut. So the cargo is a wire cut kit. We're going to put links to all these kits as well in the video. As I said, this is all ran off the factory auxiliary switches, and all the wiring is included with these particular kits. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. Hope to see you on the next video. Keep in mind, we are your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and big old Super Duty King Ranch F-450s like this.